Adding a custom favorite icon is an essential step in giving your website a professional, branded look in a crowded browser window. In this guide, I will show you how to prepare your icons and implement them using Wolf Responsive Website Designer for Mac. The process begins with asset preparation. You will need to take your high-resolution logo and create 3 specific versions to cover various display requirements. Open your image in a tool like Preview and use the Adjust Size tool to create a 16 by 16 pixel version for standard browser tabs, a 32 pixel version for taskbars, and a larger 96 by 96 pixel version for high-definition displays and shortcuts. Ensure you are using the PNG format to maintain a transparent background, and name each file specifically by its size so they are easy to reference in your code. Next, we need to integrate these files into your Wolf project. Rather than editing individual pages, navigate to the shared header and footer section within the app. This allows you to apply the favorite icon settings to every page of your site simultaneously. In the shared header area, you will paste the HTML link tags. These tags serve as instructions for the browser, specifying the relationship, type, and source path for each of the 3 icon sizes you created. Once your code is in place, you need to generate the updated files. Go to the File menu and select the Export option. This will package your design into live HTML and CSS files. After the export is finished, you must upload these source files to your web server using an FTP client. It is critical that you upload the favorite icon images themselves into the same folder as your exported HTML pages. If the images aren't in the correct folder, the browser won't be able to display them. After the upload is complete, you might find that the old tab icon is still showing. This is normal because browsers store site data to improve loading speeds. To fix this, go into your browser settings and clear your cache, or simply perform a hard refresh. Finally, take a moment to verify your work by opening your URL in different browsers like Safari and Firefox. You should now see your custom favorite icon appearing perfectly in the tab, providing that final touch of professional polish to your web presence.